Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering essentials, a fresh email address and a phone number you control. Open the Settings app on iPhone or visit Appleid. Apple. Calm if using a browser. Tap Create New Apple ID and enter your email and a secure password. This matters because your Apple ID unlocks purchases, iCloud, and device security. Once done, add your name and birthday exactly. Make sure the contact phone number is one you can receive SMS on for verification codes. After creating credentials, you'll verify ownership. Check your email and phone for codes, then input them when prompted. Enable two-factor authentication to require a code whenever you sign in on a new device. This prevents unauthorized access. Next, review security questions and add a recovery email. This helps if you forget your password. Once configured, sign into iCloud and App Store. Make sure syncing settings match your preferences to avoid unexpected data sharing across devices. To finish, sign into iCloud and enable essential services like Find My iPhone so you can locate or protect devices. This is why setting it up now pays off. Test signing into the App Store, iMessage, and FaceTime to confirm everything syncs. If you encounter problems, such as not receiving verification codes, check spam folders, confirm your phone can receive international SMS, request a resend, or use the recovery email. If issues persist, restart the device and try again before contacting Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.